Hello, my name is Michael Corso, Director of Financial Aid at William Paterson University, and I'm so happy you can join us today to discuss financial aid at our university. Today, I hope to explain some of our financial plans with you, those for commuters and those for students who live on campus. I know that it can be very complex at times, and hopefully this presentation will make it a lot less complex for you and simplify the process as we go along. This is Morrison Hall, where the Financial Aid Department is located. It is building number 11 on the map if you're looking for it. Our staff is here to help you and guide you through the complexity. Again, we know that this is a very difficult time sometimes when it's brand new to you and you're sometimes the first people of your family ever going to college. We know that it could be a very, very difficult time. So here we are. We're here to help. How to contact us? Financial aid at wpunj.edu and our phone number 973-720-3945. And we'll meet with you one-on-one. We'll set up appointments and go over your financial plan for you. We want to make this as easy as possible and as smooth as possible to help you navigate all these complexities. We're here for you, not only for your first year, but all 4 years that you will attend our university. Hopefully everybody has already applied for financial aid, but it's not too late to do so. Everyone needs an FSA ID. So every student would need to obtain one, and one for a parent. And then you would go to fafsa.gov to apply for the 2021 FAFSA using your 2018 income. Our school code is 002625. If you are a New Jersey resident, you will also want to go to this website. This is the HESA website for New Jersey FAMs. This will let us know if you're eligible for any state funding. Some students can receive up to $6,770 a year free. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to give up the chance of seeing if I'm eligible for $6,700 free. So please go onto this website and log in and then see if you owe any documents to the state. Sometimes a state will ask for different documents than the school will ask for. So it's important to frequently go to this site and see if the state is asking you for anything. If you receive any mail from Quaker Bridge Plaza, Trenton, New Jersey, make sure that you read it and act upon it. Once you receive state funding, you must submit the FAFSA by April 15th of every year in order to continue to receive state funding for the next year, or you will forfeit it. Costs are broken down into direct costs and indirect costs. Direct costs are what you pay the university directly. For example, for a commuter, it would be tuition and fees. You pay that directly to the university. For someone who lives on campus, in addition to tuition and fees, you would be paying for room and board, or housing and meals. Indirect costs are, for example, transportation or personal items such as clothing or personal hygiene items. Those are costs that you incur while you're going to college, but you're not paying those directly to the university. This is the college financing plan. Most of you received this by mail, and some have received it by email. All of you will have this on your WPConnect site. The top section are your total costs, and they include both your direct costs and your indirect costs. This is an example of a commuter. We're only concerned right now with the direct cost, the top line, the $13,814. Now, if we go to the second section, that are free money, grants, and scholarships. $675 from the school, $695 from the federal Pell Grant, and $6,010 from the state grant. Let's make that a little clearer. So we take the $13,814 and we subtract the $675, the $5,695, and the $6,010. And that leaves us a balance for the year of $1,434. That's all the student would have to pay for the year as a commuter. So the family can do monthly payment plans, and it would be broken into two 5-month payment plans, one beginning in July and one beginning in December. The payment plans are interest-free, and they would require a $25 application fee. One application fee for July and one application fee for December. Now, if the family could not afford a payment plan, then we'll go back to the college financing plan and look at the lower section where it says student loans. And we see that there's two loans available to the student. There is the subsidized loan and the unsubsidized loan. The subsidized loan means that the government pays the interest for the student while the student is going to school. The interest doesn't accrue, it doesn't capitalize. The unsubsidized loan means that the interest does accrue and does capitalize. So if we go back to our chart, and if we award this student $1,434 in the subsidized loan, then the student doesn't owe any money for the year. And they would just have to pay back this loan once they graduate. Now, this example is an example of a student who lives on campus. So on the top section, we look at the tuition and fees, $13,814, and now the housing and meals, also called room and board, of $12,454. And then we look at the grants and scholarships. Well, this student received $4,000 from the school, and then $6,345 from the federal Pell Grant, and $6,770 from the state. If we go to our little worksheet again, we take the $13,814 and add the $12,454, and then we subtract the $4,000, we subtract the $6,345, and the $6,770. And that leaves us a balance of $9,153 for the year. Once again, the family can do two 5-month payment plans, interest-free, and again, $25 application fee for July and $25 application fee for December. But if that's not workable, then we go back to our financing plan, and the student can take out the student loans, the subsidized loan and the unsubsidized loan. And we could plug those numbers back into our chart, and that would reduce the balance to $3,653. Well, then that's much more affordable than $9,153, and the family can do a monthly payment plan, again, starting in July and starting in December. July covers the fall, December covers the spring. If this still is not affordable, the parents can take out a PLUS loan in their name. A PLUS loan stands for Parent Loan for Undergraduate Students. So you see, we can make this rather affordable for all families. Speaking of loans, These are the current interest rates that were established July 1st of 2019. The new interest rates will be established July 1st of 2020. And we're told by Washington that the interest rates will be much lower because of the current pandemic. For more information about student loans, you can go to studentaid.gov. The chart at the bottom of the screen shows how much a student can borrow each academic year they are in school. This is our student portal. Students will spend a lot of time here for various administrative purposes. But today, I just like to focus on the financial aid and scholarship section. In this section, students will be able to accept their loans, students will be able to review their financial aid, and students will be able to see what items they are missing. So if you would scan down and you would see My Award information, that's where students can see their financial plan that we viewed in previous slides. And if they look at My Eligibility, that tells the student and family if there's any documents they still owe the university to complete their financial aid file. So this section is a very helpful section for students and families to use to determine if there's any open items to complete their financial aid. Also very useful is for students to continually check their William Paterson email account, because that's where we send information to students concerning their missing items. These are very important items, and we don't send them to personal accounts because sometimes personal accounts are not secure, but William Paterson email accounts are secure. For those students who are interested in federal work study, we have federal work study available to them. We offer workshops for them to attend to determine if they're eligible for federal work study. And there's a link on this page where students can sign up and attend the workshops, either online or in person, and then they would be assigned federal work study jobs. In the event that they are not eligible for federal work study because of their income requirements, the university offers jobs on campus for non-federal work study students as well. So students can work on campus either for federal work study or non-federal work study jobs. From time to time, students are selected for federal verification. And this means that the university financial aid department and the family need to work together to make sure the files are completed. Because if we do not complete the federal verification process, then we can't disperse or pay the financial aid to the student's account and pay their tuition bill. Normally, what we need from the family would be their 2018 tax return, as well as a dependent verification worksheet. So again, we would be emailing the student and asking for that information. And once we obtain that information, we just double check the information on the FAFSA to make sure that everything is in order. Sometimes the information changes the financial aid award that we sent out on the college financial plan. Sometimes it increases the award and sometimes it decreases it. Now, in these trying times, we know that people's lives have been turned upside down. And the government knows that too. So if any of these items happen to you in your life, we are ready and prepared to work with you. These are called special circumstances. And my staff will be working with you one-on-one to look at your financial status as it is right now. We know we used your 2018 income, but that's not indicative of your situation right now. So the government allows us to remove your 2018 income and replace it with your 2020 income if any of these situations happened in your life. So please contact our office and we'll be happy to work with you because we're here to make sure that your daughter, your son gets the best financial aid package that they can get, especially in these trying circumstances. Here's some useful information. This is our website. This is the state's website. This is Student Enrollment Services website. Once again, our phone number, our email address, and our student portal. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. It's been a pleasure. Have a great day.